Welcome back, quiz fans, to another edition of 101 questions that everyone should know. How are you going to do? Let me know in the comments, like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Question 1.
What is the capital of Spain? It's Madrid.
Question 2.
How many rings are on the Olympic flag? It's 5.
Question 3.
Which country is famous for the Taj Mahal? India.
Question 4.
What is the fastest bird in the world? The peregrine falcon. I'll give you half a point if you just said falcon.
Question 5.
What is the largest hot desert in the world? It's the Sahara Desert.
Question 6.
Who painted The Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh.
Question 7.
What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City.
Question 8.
What organ controls the human body? The brain.
Question 9.
Which ocean is between Africa and South America? The Atlantic Ocean.
Question number 10.
What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado.
Question 11.
What is the capital city of Greece? It's Athens.
Question 12.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong.
Question 13.
Which country is known for the city of Machu Picchu? Peru.
Question 14.
How many sides does a quadrilateral have? Four.
Question 15.
What famous clock tower is part of the Palace of Westminster in London? Big Ben.
Question 16.
What is the centre of an atom called? The nucleus.
Question 17.
What is the capital city of Mexico? Mexico City.
Question 18.
In tennis, what's the score called when both players have 40? Deuce.
Question 19.
What continent is Egypt part of? Africa.
Question number 20.
What animal is known as man's best friend? The dog.
Question 21.
What is the name of the imaginary line that divides Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? It's the equator.
Question 22.
Who wrote A Christmas Carol? Charles Dickens.
Question 23.
Which organs filter blood in the human body? It's the kidneys.
Question 24.
What fruit is dried to make raisins? Grapes.
Question 25.
What is the largest country in the world by land area? Russia.
Question 26.
Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming.
Question 27.
How many degrees are in a full circle? It's 360 degrees.
Question 28.
What is the chemical symbol for carbon? C.
Question 29.
What board game includes properties such as Mayfair and Park Lane, or for my American friends, Boardwalk and Park Place? It's Monopoly.
Question number 30.
Who wrote The Hobbit? J.R.R. Tolkien.
Question 31.
What vegetable is used to make sauerkraut? Cabbage.
Question 32.
What is the capital city of Norway? It's Oslo.
Question 33.
Which ancient civilization built the Pantheon? If you're sick and tired of AI quizzes or quizzes with an AI voice, subscribe to my channel because we don't use AI. And that answers the ancient Greeks.
Question 34.
What is the Roman numeral for 10? X.
Question 35.
What do bees collect from flowers to make honey? Nectar.
Question 36.
What piece in chess sits on the front line? It's the pawn.
Question 37.
What What is a baby sheep called? A lamb.
Question 38.
What is the largest part of the human brain called? Cerebrum.
Question 39.
Which sea lies between Europe and Africa? The Mediterranean Sea.
Question number 40.
Who was the first female pilot to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Amelia Earhart.
Question 41.
What is the top number in a fraction called? The numerator.
Question 42.
What sport uses a shuttlecock? Badminton.
Question 43.
What animal is known for building dams? The beaver.
Question 44.
What type of art is made by folding paper? Origami.
Question 45.
What do red blood cells carry around the body? Oxygen.
Question 46.
What is the main ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas.
Question 47.
What is the capital city of Argentina? Buenos Aires.
Question 48.
What famous ship sank in 1912? The Titanic.
Question 49.
What scale is used to measure acidity? The pH scale.
Question 50.
Which bird is often associated with delivering babies in stories? The stork.
Question 51.
What is the name of this famous painting of melting clocks? That's The Persistence of Memory by Dali.
Question 52.
What is 12 multiplied by 12? $144.
Question 53.
What is the main gas found in carbonated drinks? Carbon dioxide.
Question 54.
What colour belt usually comes first in many martial arts? It's not the belt around the head, it's the colour white.
Question 55.
What do pandas mainly eat? Bamboo.
Question 56.
Who created the character Sherlock Holmes? Sir Arthur Conan Doyle.
Question 57.
What is the hard outer layer of a tooth called? The enamel.
Question 58.
What food is made by fermenting milk? Yogurt.
Question 59.
Who was the famous civil rights leader known for the "I have a dream" speech? It's Martin Luther King Jr.
Question 60.
What's a name for a shape with 5 sides? A pentagon.
Question 61.
What do we call animals that only eat meat? A carnivore.
Question 62.
What ancient writing system was used by the Egyptians? Hieroglyphics.
Question 63.
What was the name of the first man-made satellite sent into space? Sputnik 1.
Question 64.
What sport is associated with the Tour de France? Cycling.
Question 65.
What's the name of the award given by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences? 2 answers, either the Academy Award or better known as an Oscar.
Question 66.
Which city is known as the Big Apple? If you're still here after 66 questions, you must be enjoying it. So go on, hit that subscribe button, help the channel out so I can get more out in the future. It's New York City.
Question 67.
What do we call a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself? It's a prime number.
Question 68.
What is the study of rocks called? Geology.
Question 69.
What device is used to find direction with a magnetic needle? A compass.
Question 70.
What is the name of the process plants use to make their own food? Photosynthesis.
Question 71.
What does www stand for in a website address? World Wide Web.
Question 72.
Which colour is made by mixing blue and yellow? Green.
Question 73.
What is the first book of the Bible? Just to confirm, that is the Old Testament. Genesis.
Question 74.
Which country gave the Statue of Liberty to the United States? It was France.
Question 75.
Which planet is the largest in our solar system? It's Jupiter.
Question 76.
What's the emergency number used in the UK? It's 999. Let me know in the comments what number you have to call.
Question 77.
Which famous band had members called John, Paul, George, and Ringo? The Beatles.
Question 78.
In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Basketball.
Question 79.
What's the name for a young frog before it becomes an adult? A tadpole.
Question 80.
Which famous nurse became known as the Lady with the Lamp? It's Florence Nightingale.
Question 81.
What do you call a person who draws maps? A cartographer.
Question 82.
Which country is famous for flamenco dancing? Spain.
Question 83.
What's the name of the traditional Japanese form of poetry with 17 syllables? It's a haiku.
Question 84.
Valentine's Day is celebrated during which month? February.
Question 85.
What's the name of the small dot over the letter I? A tittle.
Question 86.
What's the name of the famous prehistoric monument in Wiltshire, England? Stonehenge.
Question 87.
What's the name of the thin layer that protects Earth from too much ultraviolet radiation? The ozone layer.
Question 88.
Which country is famous for its tulips and windmills? The Netherlands.
Question 89.
What do you call a female deer? Doe, a deer, a female deer.
Question 90.
Which instrument is often associated with Scotland? The bagpipes.
Question 91.
What does DIY stand for? Do it yourself.
Question 92.
What do you call the fear of spiders? Arachnophobia.
Question 93.
What's the name of the person who directs an orchestra? The conductor.
Question 94.
What's the name of Earth's natural satellite? The moon.
Question 95.
Which material is commonly used to make glass? Sand.
Question 96.
What's the name of the sport played in the FIFA World Cup? Football or soccer?
Question 97.
What is the main ingredient in an omelette? Eggs.
Question 98.
Which famous artist painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci.
Question 99.
What is the common name for H2O? Water.
Number 100.
What's the name of the UK's national flag? The Union Jack.
And the final question, number 101.
What is the name of the code made from dots and dashes? Morse code. Well, how did you do? Did you feel like a third grader? I don't know what it is over in America. A 10-year-old. Did it make you feel like a 10-year-old? Well, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let me know in the comments. And then check out that video on the left because YouTube thinks you'll love it. Bye bye, quiz fans.